Hey everyone, Michael from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au. So this is a bit of an update. Sorry, it's not with good news, it's actually with slightly bad news. Our courier company has, for the last couple of days, last half a week actually, been not playing ball with us, let's put it that way. So if you're waiting for a parcel to be shipped out anytime from about Wednesday, I'm really sorry, but there has been a delay in them going out. We are trying to sort it out. Public holiday in the way in Victoria as well, so that's added to the complication for this Monday. So you may find if you're waiting for a parcel, it's actually, you won't even get a dispatch notice on it till probably early next week, so Tuesday, Wednesday. So our full apologies. Unfortunately, that one's outside our control, and we are pressuring them as quickly as we can to get it back online. Anyway, that's it for now. Just thought I'd give you a quick update. Thanks. We'll see you soon.